Put your hand flat against the glass, slide it down the glass, elbow deep into the water.
So you just hold the fish against the glass.
That's right, elbow deep into the water.
Are they gonna bite me or bite the fish?
They don't have any teeth, so they're not going to do either one. They're going to just swallow the fish.
Oh no, that feels cool.
There you go. That's it?
That's pretty good.
It's cool, isn't it?
I want to try now. That looks fun.
You can't.
Hey, you get out of there. Y'all some hungry little critters.
What does it feel like?
It's climbing like a catfish. Hey, you can stay in there. We'll be in a minute. None of them are wearing their mask in here, though.
I know, right? You don't have to do it while you're swimming.
Oh. Well, now I'm going to stink the rest of the day. So you really don't even need any fish. You just stick your hand in there and they're going to come.
Well, if you don't have your hand in there, they'll swim away.
Really?
You don't have to, yeah, they're used to being fed. They're not used to being petted. So if you reach...
So what's up, guys? Today we're at Wild World and we are looking at a whole bunch of crazy animals. And my dad already fed the stingrays and it was creepy. But now we're at the reptile exhibit, so we're gonna go back the way we came and start over so y'all can see the stingrays and all the stuff that we've done. Oh, there's a sea turtle. Okay, guys, so there's a whole bunch of huge sharks down here. Dude, those are so cool. Look. They are, I think, lemon sharks or bull sharks.
Hang on, don't come on.
Look, that's a little one. That's a little one. Can I see it? Look, you can see the baby sharks. Can I stand up? Look how fast that one back there was moving. Wouldn't it be cool if you could get permission to go there?
Kenzie, look right here.
Those things, is that just because it's water or are they actually that big? Yeah. What's coming up?
Get it, look at it.
Are those things actually that big? They don't bother me.
I'm sure they get fed.
Daddy, look at the ones right there. They're 4 feet long. Ah! Those are bull sharks. Or lemon sharks. I can't tell. Look at that fast one back there. There's a shark. No, that's a walking catfish.
Posing. Real. He's posing with his leg out.
Look how big that one's neck is. Mama, look at that.
It's a snapping turtle.
There's baby alligators. Can you hold me, Mama? Go, go, go! Mommy, go that way! Mommy, look at this one. Look at that one. That one. Oh, look at that one too.
Read it, bud.
Look at that one too.
Read that. Alligator.
Guys, check out this Cuban crocodile. It has really cool colors. That is so cool. I mean, so. What's in the alligator cave? This is a camo lizard. Guys, a phoenix fox. This is the last animal.
Where's it at?
It's right there in that little wall.
Turn around. Turn around.
There's another one in that wall.
Well, look up there. He was looking at us. Oak Man Monday.
He's taking a nap right there. You can see him from here, but it was great.
This is the last. Wait up.
What's that, Kenzie?
Wolves.
Wolves.
Yeah, that's wolves. How did they get here? This is a. Oh yeah. This one is
Eagle
a
eye.
large water. Whoa! Look at this. It's a rattlesnake. It's a rattlesnake. Mommy, you know the kind of cobra that. Mama,
The big fat one.
that's a rattlesnake. Yeah, look at
It's
its
rattler.
Has 1, 2.
Do not tap on the glass.
Look at this.
This is a cobra.
This one's a copperhead. I know so. This is a red one. This is a spitting cobra. This one spits venom, Mommy.
Down.
What is this one?
There's his head right there. He said it's venomous. Western Africa. That is one big snake. Look, his skin's back there in the bushes.
You took it. Okay guys, so this right here is a Mexican rattlesnake, one of the smallest rattlesnakes in the world. Stingrays. There's 1, 2, 3. One's under the sand.
Yeah.
The black thing under the sand. And there's 2. Where did he go?
I don't know.
There's a shark you can pet.
One finger.
It's really rough. It's not slimy like the fish one.
Got 'em.
That's hand touching. Ooh, that shark feels weird. It's really dry.
What are you touching, sis? You want to reach in there, Britton?
Touch it, Kenzie. Touch the shark. Hang on. No, you can't do it like that. Okay, then don't.
Don't let his tail touch you.
Oh, you'll be fine.
It's skinny.
You touching?
No, but they can still sting
Not those ones. I think they're different.
you. See the little bars right there on the tail? It's not right there. It's right there on the bar. Okay, guys, so these are horseshoe crabs for the petting. Will their tails sting you?
No.
Will I touch it?
Yes. Touch it, B.
It's just stinking water.
You touch it?
Yeah, I touched it. It's rough.
Yeah, it's a crab. It's a hard shell.
Look, look.
Nope. What are they?
Look up there.
There's a turtle.
Britton, look up.
Look at.
Look, right here.
Hi. There's every single one. Hi.
I'm gonna hold on to that, alright?
Y'all go on the side. Are you ready?
Oh, look, they're hungry.
They're extra hungry.
Chill. Okay. We're gonna hold it like this, alright? With two hands. Y'all hold on tight because the gators are strong. Alright. I'm gonna put fish on the end of the stick. Just hold it back here a little bit. Right there. Start here. Once I open this, we're gonna put it in, okay? Ready? There you go. Oh, we knocked it off. Here, let me put that back on for you. Hey, no growling. Alright, you guys ready? Ready? There we go. There you go. Isn't that cool?
What's that?
We're really close to the front.
This is like a tunnel.
What's a fossil?
It's a rock. It's a bone that has rotted over time into a rock.
Easy with them. Y'all ready to get stung by jellyfish at the beach?
Huh? Yeah.
Look at it.
That's a jellyfish that stings.
Yep.
That's what the dark frogs in somebody's hand.